Hi guys, doing and welcome to another Arc Garage video. If you want to see more Alfa Romeo related content, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It means a lot to us. In today's video I'm going to show you how to restore the wiper and turn signal levers. You can see that this one right here is in quite poor condition. The plastics have turned almost to white. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how to get the best possible results without actually repainting them. I gave this a lot of thought. This turn signal lever is in much better shape compared to the other one, and I tried using a heat gun on it to bring some of the color out. However, that didn't work. The second option that I had was to use the clear coat, but I wasn't sure about the results, and I didn't want it to intervene with its function. The third option was to use the black dye, but that's not a good way to go since these levers have all of these symbols on them. So in the end I've decided to go with ceramic coating. I've used it multiple times on faded plastics and it does a pretty good job. This one right here costs only 10-15 euros, but the price doesn't really matter since I'm not gonna use it on the paint. Alright, here goes the first layer. The instructions say that I should wipe it with a clean cloth after the first layer. However, I'm not gonna do that since the plastic is corrosive and it's gonna absorb it. What I'm gonna do instead, I'm gonna apply the second layer after that one, and I'm just gonna leave it to dry for 24 hours. Here goes the second layer. Before we check out the final results, this is what a wiper lever used to look like. This is how the lever looks like right now. You can see that the results are pretty good. They are not perfect, but they are close to perfection as they can be using this method. I've actually left some mark on the bottom using my powdered latex gloves since I was trying to turn the knobs to make sure that everything is working properly and that nothing is stuck. Now let's check out the top. This is how the top used to look like. You can see that the plastic is basically white. It's that damage from all of the years on the direct sunlight. This is how the top looks like now. It's not, as I said, it's not 100% perfect, but it's very good considering that I didn't repaint it. One thing that I noticed straight away was the dark greenish hue. I don't know how well can you see it on the camera, but that is not actually due to the ceramic coating, but rather due to the poor quality plastics that they used. That would be all for this video. If you liked it, hit the like button and support our channel by subscribing and by sharing our content with the rest of car enthusiasts.